Today, why get an accounting degree? I'm Professor Jason Wood. I'm a certified public accountant. By gaining an accounting degree, you open up a world of opportunity in the job market that will enable you to do many different things. Let's talk about some career example paths. For myself, from a practitioner perspective, I've been all over the board. I started out working for one of the big accounting firms. Do you remember Coopers & Lybrand, which eventually became PricewaterhouseCoopers? I started out as a financial auditor. Within a month of being at the firm, I was identified to be part of a Tiger team where I spent half my year working as a financial auditor and the other half of my year working as an information technology auditor. You may ask real quick, what do those people do? Well, the financial auditor, we looked at financial audit statements, and we got to look at balance sheets, income statements, and really dive into the numbers of the company. From the IT audit standpoint, I got to dive in to look at the controls around the technology systems that really process the financial information. I had the opportunity to travel the globe, working on operational audits and information technology audits. How many of you would like to travel around the world? Today, I still deliver IT audit services to many large companies. But that's just one side of me. That's my practitioner life. I'm also an academic, where I've brought my practitioner experience from the boardroom to the classroom. So this video, you ask, why should I be an accounting major? It's because you have the opportunity to work in a lot of different areas. You can go work in public accounting like I started out, or you could go work in industry. You could become an accountant for many different companies in industry, or even the government. You know, the fun thing about accounting, there are many different subdisciplines. A lot of my students, when they think of accounting, they think, oh, I'm just going to go work with numbers. Well, accounting is more than numbers. Yes, you can specialize in financial accounting, managerial accounting, but don't forget, CPAs and accountants, we also do taxes, but that's not all we do. Most people do think that, oh, a CPA, you must do taxes and you must be busy during April. Well, that's not always true. There's also some of us, we work on the auditing side, a lot of different types of auditing. I specialized in information technology auditing, where I get to look at my clients' information systems and determine if the financial information processed within those systems can be relied upon. When was the last time that a company actually used a paper ledger to do their financials? It doesn't happen anymore. If it does, it's rare. Most companies use large accounting systems in order to process their information. It's a great subdiscipline. Also, forensics. How many of you like fraud? No, don't go commit fraud. That's not what I'm saying. As an accountant, as an auditor, as a CPA, we have the opportunity to go and look at financial forensics and do a lot of fraud examination. You've heard of a lot of different frauds out there. You've heard of Enron, WorldCom, all those great frauds that happened. Well, they weren't so great, were they? However, as an auditor, we get to go in there and try to investigate those frauds and really see how did they happen so we learn from our mistakes. But don't forget, you don't have to go work for public accounting. You don't have to go work out in industry. The FBI hires accountants. Did you know that? The government heavily recruits accounting majors. Accounting is such a hot discipline that you get to go and really write your own ticket and work anywhere in the world that you want, whether you want to stay in the US or go work around the globe. Now, if you're able to understand the numbers, it will make you more successful and open many doors in your lifetime. After you get your accounting degree, don't forget, go sit for the Certified Public Accounting CPA exam. Now, every state has different CPA exam rules, so make sure you look at your own accounting board to figure out what you need to do. But even if you don't think you want to practice public accounting or go into be an accountant or something like that, go get your CPA. I've had a lot of students that get an accounting degree, but they don't get their CPA. You should. And it will set you up for a lifetime of success. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, I'm Professor Jason Wood with Chancellor University. I hope you have found this video very helpful. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to visit chancelloru.edu for more information.